Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating something magical. Let's painting a beautiful tree with golden sky. This painting is perfect exercise for practicing brush control. You learn how to create lines with different thickness and feel more comfortable with your brush. Plus, it's a super relaxing and fun painting to try. I have video tutorial of all of this painting on my channel, so feel free to check them out. We are starting with wet on wet technique. That means first we wet the paper with clean water using big brush. This helps the color blend smoothly, and it's perfect for make a dreamy sky. Now let's play with colors. You can choose any shade you like, soft pastels or bold vibrant hues. Feel free to experiment and see what's works best for you. To make the sky more intense, I'm adding 2 layers. But it is totally optional. If you prefer a soft look, you can leave it as it is after first layer. From this point on, I'll just be playing with the color and adding different ones. Just keep in mind to be careful with the extra water in your brush. Don't add too much water on your paint or your work might smudge. For the darker part of the sky, instead of using black, I mix blue and brown to create a deep natural shade. This mix also works great for painting the tree later on. When both the paper and the brush are dry, meaning there's very little water in the brush compared to the paint, make this kind of texture that I specifically need for my sky. Now I mix blue and brown to create a deep natural shade for the tree. Once the sky is dry and we're happy with it, it's time to paint the tree. Here's a little challenge for you. Try painting thin and thick lines using just one brush. Less pressure, thinner lines, more pressure, thicker lines. This technique helps you create dynamic branch. Remember, the tips of the branch should be always thinner and where they connect to the trunk should be thicker. For the leaves, I use an old frayed brush to create a random messy texture. But don't worry if you don't have one. Later I show you how to make texture leaves with a round brush. By the way, which brush do you prefer for painting leaves? Now let's add some final touch. Once everything is dry, I go back and darken areas that need more contrast. Like I add more deep color on my trunk and on my branch. Then I use white paint, acrylic or gouache, whatever you have, to add some lights. A few little clouds here and there. And that's it, we are almost done. Our beautiful golden sky with tree is complete. I hope you had fun painting with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe. I have tons of easy painting tutorial on my channel, so make sure to check them out. Also, let me know in the comments what color would you use for this painting. When you finish your painting and are satisfied with it, make sure to complete it fully so you don't mess it up like me. Anyway, I really enjoyed this painting. I hope you like it too. See you in next video.